How to tweet on Twitter or X and mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the X application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Also check if you have the latest version of the application on your device so you avoid any sort of glitches while using the application. Now after tapping on the application, it will land you to the home page of the application. So in order to tweet on the X application, all you have to do is tap on the plus icon. So you just have to tap on the plus icon whenever you want to post. So as you can see, the plus icon is right here. Tap on that. Then here you can select what do you want to post or tweet about. You can tweet on the post with just photos or go spaces, and you can also go live. So if I want to just go for photos, tap on photos, and here you'll be able to select the picture that you want to share. So just tap on any of the picture, and here you can add a tweet by and wait until it gets posted. So your post has been sent. And there you go, you have tweeted on your X application. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.